In this video, you will learn all about the new rare pink pineapple. You'll also learn the difference between a pink glow pineapple versus a traditional pineapple and where to purchase these rare delicacies for a limited time. The links for everything I discuss in this video will be linked in the description box below. It's Naturally Company, your go-to destination for plant-based information. Be sure to subscribe and take the step towards a healthier future. Now let's get into it. Also known as the Jewel of the Jungle, pink glow pineapples are now available for a limited time after 16 years in the making. Grown only on a select farm in the south central region of Costa Rica, pink glow pineapples are harvested by hand. Fresh Del Monte, one of the world's largest suppliers of fresh and prepared produce, happens to be the only company to grow this special variety of pineapple. They have been in development since 2005 and was approved by the FDA in 2016. So what's so special about this pineapple versus a traditional pineapple, you ask? Well, for starters, it's pink. This rosé color comes from lycopene, which is a natural plant pigment that gives produce such as tomatoes, watermelon, and pink grapefruit its color. Apparently, pink glow pineapples are sweeter in taste than traditional yellow pineapples and are less acidic, thus making them less sour. They are also juicier, which may have something to do with the ideal soil and climate they are grown in. You won't find this pink glow beauty at any grocery stores alongside its golden counterpart. You can only purchase these rare pineapples online. I've linked the website in the description box below. Just know that limited amounts of this delicacy is available for purchase per day. It comes packed in a one-of-a-kind cargo box and comes with a certificate of authenticity. When you open your box, don't be alarmed to notice the crown missing from your pink glow pineapple. The crowns are removed and replanted prior to shipping. Sustainable cultivation at its finest. Did you know that pineapples are not grown from seeds? Once removed, the crowns of pineapples can be replanted and a new fruit-producing plant will grow. In addition to being sweeter, juicier, and prettier, the pink glow pineapple has all the nutritional benefits of a traditional pineapple. Packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, helps heal wounds and protect against infections, improves blood circulation, aids in digestion, and contain manganese, which is a trace mineral that is vital for bone health. So what's the going rate for one of these rare beauties, you ask? Just a mere $49. Now, it may seem a bit excessive initially, but it's definitely worth every penny. So there you have it. The pink glow pineapple, the jewel of the jungle, is out now. But who knows for how long, so click the link in the description box below and treat yourself or a loved one. To learn more about the many nutritional benefits of a plant-based diet, as well as reviews and recommendations, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.